Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the one who is the first and the last. My dear honorable guests, respected teachers, high regard parents and adorable brothers and sisters, and everyone appearing here from different camps in this challenging time. So it's me. First of all, I would like to extend my profound gratitude to all of you for attending our Food Prize Awarding Ceremony, appearing here from different camps in this challenging time. So it's me, Shafiullah, son of Abdul Amin. My homeland is Chitagiri, the villa in Burmese, situated in the northern part of Manda Township. Currently, I live in Kutupalaya Physical Trail, and I am a student of grade 12 at Wildlife Community High School. Today, I am here to present a poem titled Mobile Istamal in front of you. As you are, I have got a Rashani, a girl on the Kavita. Kavita, I will go Mobile Istamal. As I will go around the Puna Ara Rangar Wanda, Mobile Istamal Ara Rangar Wanda, Mobile Istamal Ara Rangar Wanda, Kiviti Tamar Barbadi, Tagar Kimat Namazi, Shuri Gardi, Mobile Istamal Ah, Rangar Ruan, Shiar Kaman, Bui, Lazigari, Harai Bui, Vizar Zindagi Kami, Kerala Vizir, Asal Jiriski. Ara Rangar Bandar, Mobile Istamal Ara Rangar Bandar, Mobile Istamal Kasi Bandar Maravi, Farabari Tamamadi, Agar Baha, Mobile Kiviti, Shuri Garigar, Bandar Zindagi Barbari, Ari Kaguru Kuzala Divan, Ara Tagi, Mobile Lagi, Ara Rangar Bandar, Mobile Istamal Ara Rangar Bandar, Mobile Istamal Oh, Oma, oh, Oda, Tampiki Arare Lotri, Arada Vizai, Eleanor Kiva Student. Never Arare, Mubaldi Barbari, Ara Rangar Bandar, Mubalastamangara Muxani, Ara Rangar Bandar, Mubalastamangara Muxani, Evinia, Elamsara, Zivan Hara, China Sara, the Playera, Sutta Olza, Sutta Olza, Aga. Tantai Aizalin, or Rangarin, Aran Kati, Sika Sikit Lagai Bidin, Ara Rangar Bandar, Mubalastamangara Muxani, Ara Rangar Bandar, Mubalastamangara Muxani, Ayo Brabin, Lavigay, Alamar Balaguri, Mubalastamangari, Alamara Balaguri, Haraguri, I can't give it to the Balaguri. Thank you so much for paying attention on me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.